Hello class 8 student. Today I am going to start a new lesson. We will discuss in short about the chapter resources, types and development, that is geography lesson number 1. Here we will discuss about resource types and development. At the very first in this video we will discuss about the classification of resource. Classification of resources are done in two different ways, that is natural and man-made. What is natural? Natural is that resource which have been evolving from the time being and has been present over the earth's surface without the disturbance of any human being in nature. So these resources like abiotic, actual, potential, whatever it is, it has been divided. It has been further classified according to their basis. Another one is man-made. Man use the natural resources to transform them into more usable form that man can use very easily. So it is called man-made resources. First we will go with the natural resources. Natural resources on the basis, these are the basis: development, origin, renewability and distribution. Development of resource, under the development of resource we have actual and potential. What is actual? Actual resources are those resources which are being used and has been extracted from the nature. Potential, we know that potential resources are those we know that there are availability of resource, but still we are not assessing those kind of resource. Potential, that means there is a possibility that in future we can use that resource. Another base is that origin. Origin in the form of biotic and abiotic. Biotic having life in it and abiotic not having life in it. Renewability. Renewability, on the basis of renewability we have classified resource into two: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable, that can be renewed, and non-renewable, that cannot be renewed after once use. Another one is distribution. Ubiquitous and localized. Ubiquitous means that are present everywhere. Localized, that are not present in every places. Next, man-made. Infrastructure and human resources. Now in the form of development, actual resources, that those resources like the petroleum reserve that we are using, coal reserve, iron ore, whatever it is, that we are using and utilizing that resource and extracting from the earth surface is called actual resource. Potential, we know that those resources are there. Suppose certain places do have oil reserve. It is estimated that about only 20% of the oil reserves are still utilized, but the remaining 80% of the oil reserves are unaccessible. They cannot be utilized. They cannot be extracted from the earth surface because of the lack of technological evolution. Next one is origin. Biotic like animals, plants, even human being is constitute in the biotic form. Abiotic, those does not have life, like soil, water, sunshine, wind, etc. Renewability is very easy. In renewable resources we know that those resources that can be renewed, like plants, animals, sunshine, wind, water, these are winners that can be, after once use we can revive, we can reuse it, we can get back again. Non-renewable resources are those resources which are very conserved. In the remaining part of the chapters we will discuss about this, mainly about non-renewable resources. We are putting emphasis on this non-renewable resources because about more than 80 to 90% of the resources are non-renewable resources that we are still using, like coal, petroleum, natural gas. Next, the last one is the distribution. Distribution in the form of ubiquitous resource. Ubiquitous resource is that resource that are available and almost these are of free. These are of free. Ubiquitous, like air, water, that we are getting over the earth surface. Air we can inhale, we can breathe air freely. We no need to pay money. The last one is that localized resource. Localized resource is that resource that are present in a stipulated place, like petroleum reserve, oil reserve, coal reserve. These are localized resources and it requires money to extract this, and these have price to extract this thing. Next one is man-made. Man itself is a resource. Why is it? Because man has its technological know-how, its capacity to transform usable resources into more usable form. From natural resource to module form. It is done through their own knowledge and technology. Infrastructure, for example, transport, ways, building, institution, etc. Another one is that human resource. Yes, the human being has the technological skill, know-how, and capacity to transform natural resources. And so we ourselves itself are human resources. So this is the part according to the classification in resources. We will discuss the remaining part of the lesson in regards to sustainable development and resource. What is a sustainable development, as we are concerned about non-renewable resources and conservation of resources. And I will try to upload videos on YouTube. I will send you a link in the group, so watch it. Thank you.